Stop choking your shoes like Wilt Chamberlain did to his Chucks in the 80s. Y'all are hella out of pocket, brother. Let me show you how to lace your rare Air Force like a real 16. YouTube, it's your boy Mo, and today I'm gonna teach you how to lace your rare airs like a true P, like some true ism. So let's lace these hush puppies up like a real 16, man. All right, so first we're starting off with eyelid number 1. Okay, so put it through those holes as such. You see what I'm saying? We want to make sure everything is flat as possible, always. I'm a perfectionist, so I got to make sure everything is right. As long as I can control it, it has to be right. Okay, so you want to make sure that the strings, you put them together just like that, just to make sure everything is even. And you want to keep that top lace just as flat as possible. You see how careful I'm being about it? You want it to be perfect. Okay, boom. So now we got the first row done. There it is. Make sure it's flat. Remember, fix it until it's flat. Well, that's just me. That's how I like my shoes. I like everything to be looking right when they see it. So now this is the second eyelid. We putting it through that hole right there. Pause. Okay. We working it, making sure everything's perfect. Boom. Okay, having a little trouble still trying to make that one flat. I'm not gonna stop until it's flat, so I'm gonna fix it until I get it as flat as possible, as you can see. And then now the other side, I'm gonna do the same thing with that one through the second eyelid. Okay, here we go. Working it. It's no reason to rush this. I mean, if you have nothing to do, just lace some shoes up and make sure they're right. Okay, so we're twisting it to make sure that it's flat. I mean, you don't have to do this, but I like, to me, it matters. You know what I'm saying? When it's flat, it's way different from how it looks when it's twisted up. You know, just like everything fresh and plush. So, okay. So now we're working the third eyelid. Working it. And getting it through there. Okay. Now it's the flat game. Just making sure it's flat on there. Got a little twist motion because sometimes it gets stuck in there, you know what I'm saying? And it's not going to come out flat. So, okay. Having a little trouble. It's all good, though. All right. Is it flat yet? Let's see. Nope. Got to twist it a little bit more. But it matters. There we go. It's flat. Okay. Now to the other side. Third eyelid. Getting it through. You can see how fresh that shoe is. You can always tell when you start lacing them. Okay. Let's see. Looks like this side's gonna come out flat at the first try. Let's see. Yep, it's flat and perfect. Boom. Uh-oh. I mean, no. Still got a little to fix. Boom. Flat. Okay. So next row. We're working it. I really like these blue laces in the rare airs. They actually look good. A lot of people don't like them, but they look good to me. It really matters on how you lace them, but I think it makes the shoe pop. Okay. So working it, making sure it's flat again. This is how you gonna be, busting when you go outside, man. You know what I'm saying? You're gonna be looking like a real P. This is how you gonna do it. And you keep them shoestrings flat. You feel me? All right, so we working the other side. Bam. It's not that flat. Let's see. Yeah, I'm fixing it. Fixing it. Okay. Next eyelid. Getting it through there. Okay. Getting it through there. Let's see. Let's see. I'm getting it through there. Got it flat the first time. We working on the other side now. I'm just loosening it up a little bit. I don't like my shoes too tight, especially for lifestyle. Maybe when I'm hooping or doing some like weightlifting or something like that, I like my shoes tight. But when I'm just chilling, walking around, lifestyle type stuff, you know, I like my shoes loose. I like them loose lace. So this is a loose lacing tutorial. Okay, so we got the other side. Getting it done. Boom. It's looking good. All right. Y'all can see it. I'm getting there. Okay, we up to the next eyelid. One up top to the next eyelid. All right. Getting her done. All right. Flatten out. Flattening. You know what I'm saying? Flattening. Yep, that one looks good. That's perfect. Yep. On to the next eyelid. Let's see how this one comes out. Twisting. Got a little twisting action. Yeah, it looks good. All right, we on to the next eyelid. We almost done here. Boom. Got him. All right. It looks pretty flat. It looks good enough. And I mean, y'all, it's not gonna be perfect, but I mean, it's flat enough. You know what I'm saying? It looks flat enough compared to how it is when you get them. Sometimes they're all twisted and stuff, so you just make them as flat as you possibly can control. Okay, so this is the last one. And like I said, I don't wear my shoes tight when I'm on a lifestyle type status and I'm just walking around chilling and whatever. I don't want to be all choked up, you know what I'm saying? Like Magic Johnson, I mean. Or his name is Irving, ain't it? But yeah, I want to be walking around comfortable. Those tight laces be hurting my feet, bro. So, all right, so this is the last one. Boom. Getting it through. And there we go. That's how you lace up some rare Air Force like a P, man. You feel me? That's how you want to be a real 16. That's how your shoe should look, bruh. Come on now. I like these rare airs. I mean, they sat. I'm putting sell in the right shoe. I'm not gonna talk y'all too long through this one. I'm just gonna show you real quick. Lacing it up. Boom. We got sell on the right and blue on the left. It's gonna look good, y'all. And bang! There you have it. That's how you lace up some rare Air Force like a player. You feel me? That's how they should look. Them things is busting though, brother. But yeah, y'all. This is the finishing result. Them things look saucy. We want to be outside. This is how we gonna be outside. We gotta be dipped, and it start with the sneakers. Then it goes to the fit. You know what I'm saying? Basic 101s of being saucy. You know what I'm saying? But let me know what y'all think in the comments about this lacing, or let me know what lacing style y'all like. And it's your boy Mo, and we gonna be back with another video.